When you become Spider-Man, where or how would you like to use your webs? Hey, I'm Peter Parker, your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Since I got bitten by that spider, my life's been totally different. Anyway, Neil's got a job now, and today I'm gonna teach you how to web a pizza. Wake the yeast up with 30 degrees Celsius water. Sugar speeds up the fermentation. Cornmeal adds a nice grainy flavor. And don't forget the salt and butter. I'm Spider-Man, so this is no big deal. With great power comes great responsibility. As a superhero, I use high-quality olive oil, some garlic, and onions for a flavor base. Canned tomatoes, yeah, I'm cutting corners, but they taste freaking good. Oregano and a basil add a wonderful aroma. And don't forget the salami for that authentic European taste. As for the veggies, I'm Spider-Man, so they've got to be both good-looking and tasty. After prepping, spread most of the dough in a pan, then layer in the sausage, cheese, and the veggies, and cover with the remaining dough. Give me a 10 for on you know that. Do it step by step. I don't just want to taste this. I want to post some great photos on social media to impress or stimulate my friends and you, my audience. Bake at 210 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Oh, the smell makes me want to rip off my mask. But I'll resist because I'm Spider-Man.
You're late. I want to favorite.
Dude, are you serious? Actually, I'm Neo. Just like everyone else, we don't have Spider-Man or the Avengers. The meaning of life is in the little things we love. I'm human too. I need money, love, and enjoyment. Maybe even superheroes can't help with that. At this moment, I finally get Uncle Ben's words. Being able to handle responsibility is a superpower in itself. So I guess I'm Spider-Man now. Eat well, or I'll web you up.
Something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this.